guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making homemade drop biscuits.
These are real easy to make. They're fast, quick. You don't have to roll them out and make a mess on your bar. And they're good with biscuit, or they're good with jelly and butter, honey, molasses, just anything you want to eat with them.
If you like southern recipes like this, be sure to leave a like and leave a comment telling us what southern recipe you want us to make next.
Also make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. Okay, let's get started. Okay, to start out, you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And then I'm going to spray cooking spray on a, I think it's about a 10-inch iron skillet. And so you want to spray the bottom and the sides a little bit with that. And then just put some oil in. You can use vegetable oil, corn oil, canola oil. So you want to put in, I don't know, probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons, maybe a little more. You want it a little bit up on the sides. And then we're going to heat this up while we mix up the biscuit dough. So it's kind of like making cornbread. Okay, we're going to use our Hudson Cream self-rising flour, but any kind of self-rising flour will work. So I need about 3 cups of that. 1, 2, maybe 3 heapies. You only need 3 ingredients for this. You got your self-rising flour, your vegetable oil, and milk. So I'm gonna just pour some milk in. I don't have it measured, so I'm just gonna pour in enough so I can stir it. It's probably about a cup, I would say. So it's still a little bit dry, so we're gonna add about another half a cup. And then we got to pour in the oil, half a cup of oil. And then mix that all up. And I'm going to add just a little bit of milk, a little more milk. Kind of a little thicker than a cake. I don't know what consistency it is, but okay, and we just wait for our skillet to get hot. Okay, our skillet's hot, so I'm gonna just take 2 spoons, and don't want to make them really big because they get bigger with the self-rising flour, but you want to just take your tablespoons, and that one could have a little more. Just get it in there as quick as you can while it's still sizzling. And then I'm going to take some oil. I got some in a cup and a spoon, and just kind of put it on top. That'll keep them from getting real hard. And they'll brown nice too. Okay, so they're ready to go back in the oven. Just put them in there in the middle rack, and I'm gonna set the timer for about 13 minutes, and then we'll check them. Okay, it's been 13 minutes, so we're gonna check and see. I think they're ready to broil. Yep. So I'm just gonna put them back in and put it on broil. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes. That was about right for my oven, so you just have to kind of watch. Yours may be different. And then I have some melted butter here that I'm going to spread on top of them. And that just makes them really taste good and keeps them soft and stuff. So then I'm going to pour them out on a plate, because otherwise they'll keep baking in there and get too hard. Just got a little bit of butter left, so I'm going to just put it on this side, but you don't have to. Then I usually stick a knife under them too, just to let some of the steam out. So I do this with cornbread too, but that kind of keeps them vented so they don't get all soggy.
Okay guys, we're back and our drop biscuits are done. Those took, what, altogether, probably not even a half an hour.
Yeah.
And they're so easy. They only take 3 ingredients.
Yeah, they're also good with gravy.
Mm-hmm.
But we're going to try them with our jelly tonight. Butter and jelly. But I love them with honey and molasses.
Mm-hmm.
And have you ever had fried molasses?
No.
It's so good. I haven't made it in a long time, but you just kind of put them in a skillet and add a teaspoon of baking soda, and they'll kind of foam up.
Yeah.
And it's good to eat with biscuits.
Yeah.
But we've got grape jelly and strawberry jelly.
I'm pretty sure we've made the strawberry jelly in the video.
Yeah.
Right? So.
Click here.
Yeah, click up there if you want to see how to make the strawberry jelly.
Oh, then I just kind of break it off. You don't have to really.
Yeah.
Oops, maybe they are going to fall apart.
Ooh.
They're really hot.
Yeah.
They're so good with milk. I like milk.
Mm-hmm.
But I would kind of like these because I like the crispiness
Mm-hmm.
on the outside.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you make these, be sure to send us a picture, and also be sure to check out the description with the links to all of our social medias, and leave a comment telling us what you want to see next, and we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.